Subscribe to get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Let's get straight to the point. Today, I'm showing you a sweet, sour and a spicy recipe made with chicken. I'm making Chicken Tangdi Masala. Hey guys, it's Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. Let's begin. First things first, let's begin with making the marination. Like I said even earlier, it's sweet, spicy and sour. Let's begin with the sour quotient, and that is some curds. To make it sour furthermore, I'm adding in lemon juice. To this, let's add in paste of ginger and garlic. Well, at this stage, you'll realize that the marination is a little more than you would normally make. But the trick here is to also make a little bit of the gravy with the marination. And to that, of course, later I'm going to add in a few more ingredients, but that's going to be later. For now, let's come back to this. I'm going to add in red chili powder. It's a mix of chilies that are spicy as well as good in color. Coriander seeds powder, Garam Masala, sugar, and some whole chilies, which we're just going to kind of break into two. Is salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Let's give this a good mix. Our marination is done and ready. Let's add in chicken tangdi, or as we know, chicken drumsticks. You can also create some gashes so that the marination kind of seeps within, but this is also perfect. Well, at this stage, you actually need to take a personal call. If you have some time at hand, you can marinate this overnight in a refrigerator. If not, in my personal opinion, even 30 minutes is good enough. The chicken is marinated well. Let's move on to cooking the chicken. For that, I'm heating a kadhai and adding in Emami healthy and tasty Kachchi Ghani mustard oil. Well, I'm using mustard oil for this recipe because in my personal opinion, the pungency that the mustard oil has converts into sweetness, which is ideal for a chicken dish like this. It also is rich in mufa. Well, mufa for the uninitiated is monosaturated fats, and that makes the oil extremely healthy and vital. Use that. The oil is heated up. Let's add in the pieces of chicken. Let's fry the pieces of chicken on all the sides till they're nice and golden brown in color. And like I said, the remaining marination becomes a part of the gravy. So keep that, do not throw. Well, one trick for all of you who wish to fry chicken at this stage like this is you need to constantly fry this on high flame. By reducing the flame, it's going to start leaching water, and that's not what you're looking at. Just remember that. The chicken has turned nice and golden brown on the outside, and it's still not cooked at all. It's just kind of seared on the outside. This point in time, I'm going to add in the remaining marination of the chicken, and along with this, puree of tomatoes and onions. Well, for the exact measurements, check the description box below. Mix this well and allow this to cook on high flame. At this point in time, there's a beautiful aroma and a wonderful flavor, and that reminds me of just one thing. Zaruri swad ke liye zaruri dhaas, aur dhaas hai tabhi to khaas hai. Isn't it beautiful? Well, the next thing is to add in a cupful of water. Stir this well and allow the chicken to cook for 15 to 20 minutes on high flame. And you'll also realize that one, of course, the chicken gets cooked, but two, the curry converts beautifully into a thick gravy. So let's wait and watch. Well, that's the status of the chicken after cooking for 20 minutes on high flame. If you come a little closer and have a look, the chicken gravy has now thickened even further and has become a coating masala. At this stage, you check for salt. In case the salt is less, add some more. This, in this case, is absolutely perfect. Let's serve. And lastly, a generous sprinkling of freshly cut coriander leaves. With this, our chicken tangdi masala is done and ready. By now, you would have realized if you want to make something quick, easy, simple, and tasty, you really don't need exotic ingredients. You need ingredients from your own kitchen pantry. On that note, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to get curried.